Junk food. A food that is high in calories but low in nutritional content. Food that is unhealthy but is quick and easy to eat, or food that is not good for your health because it is high in fat, sugar, or artificial substances. Any of various snacks food processed with chemical additives and of low nutritional value.
A pejorative term dating back to around the 1950s that described food that is high in calories from sugars, salt, and fat, specifically saturated fats, but with little dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, or minerals. This includes foods that have more highly processed items, including breakfast cereals that are mostly sugar or high fructose corn syrup, meaning sodas and a lot of baked goodies too.
While fast food is often considered synonymously with junk food, not all of them are junk food since it depends on the ingredients and how they are prepared. Hi, my name is Jessie, I'm an artist, and I live in Japan. Recently, I made a burger illustration and asked you if you wanted to see more junk food drawings on Instagram. You said yes, so that's what we are going to do today. And if you're interested in that burger video, you can see it in the link above. To be honest, I needed a quick video and thought, let's draw some junk food, make them into stickers, what could possibly go wrong? And then me being me, I am extra. I decided to do a heap of drawings and a bunch of cookies and chips all around the canvas. Make this a whole piece that you can even use as your desktop wallpaper. And it killed me. I don't know why I decided to do it to myself. I kept delaying it and procrastinating it by cleaning house, reading books, and studying. Yes, I said studying. Yeah, girl is studying Japanese. Well, more like reviewing things I forgot, again, for the billionth time. Maybe someday, hopefully in the near future, I can pass the N2 and then the N1. Also, I can walk around talking to people about my test scores like,
hey man, what's your JLPT level? Oh, I'm N3, middle management stuff. You? Oh, I'm just N1. What? No way, you don't need to level up your Japanese anymore, you're legit.
Because that's how normal people conversations come about. That's how you get RESPECT in this mad world of test scores. I've recently got myself hyped up about studying again. I'm very competitive. Losing does not tether me, and after meeting a few people, I got that spark of competition because, truth be told, I need to be better than them. It's not that I'm an awful person, I just admit to what helped me start my motivation for studying. So good luck to you in all your endeavors, honey. I hope the best for you, but I need to win. You win some and you win some more. This is what I tell myself to keep going. I'm doing it, so, that's good. Also, another defining characteristic of my personality is I think I sleepwalk. It's so weird. Weed. So I wake up and I do what I have done for years. I go straight to the toilet and pee. I've done this religiously in my life. I wake up and the first thing I do is pee, and then I went to brush my teeth. Everything is normal, but then I decide to wash my hands and I noticed my dial soap is gone, my hand soap. It's not there. And I thought, oh no, it's happened again. Intermission. By the way, if you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe and put your notifications on so you get notified about when the next video comes up. And if you want to see more art, sketches, process photos, and behind the scenes stuff, or just my daily life in Japan, you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I think I was in high school or uni or something when it first happened. I woke up, I go to my throne to pee, brush my teeth, but the little palm tree stand I have where I put my toothbrush was missing. So I asked my mom if she took it, which is weird to ask, but I asked anyway, and she said no, and it couldn't possibly have been my dog at the time. She was a miniature dachshund. There's no way she could reach it. I remember I tried looking for my toothbrush and the stand that was in it, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I ended up brushing my teeth with my finger. 2 days passed, and the next morning, as if nothing happened, my toothbrush and the palm tree stand where I put my toothbrush in is there again, in the same spot I always have it on. It just popped again into existence. That was the first time it happened, and to this day I have no clue what happened. There's just no explanation, but then I told my brother about it, and he said maybe I sleepwalked and moved it somewhere else. I don't know. But it happened again this month, but with that hand soap. It just felt so weird because I never thought of myself as someone who sleepwalks. I just don't understand how that is possible. I just don't get it. This time I thought I searched, but it happened again this month, but with the hand soap. It just felt so weird because I never thought of myself as someone who sleepwalks. I just don't understand how that is possible. I just don't get it. This time though, I searched for my hand soap and I finally found it. It was under the sink behind the cleaning liquids we have for the bathroom. Like, how? What? Why? I just don't understand it. It was the weirdest thing to go missing and reappear. I swear if I do actually sleepwalk and somehow move things around, I want someone to videotape me or have one of those security cameras in the hallway to capture me because I cannot believe it. I've been told many times that I kick in my sleep, especially when I was younger, and I thought I stopped that, but apparently I still move my legs a lot when I sleep. And I know I talk in my sleep, not occasionally, not always, but often. And it can either be in English, Spanish, or Japanese, which I see as a huge accomplishment that I am now talking in my sleep in a third language. I did not think my brain had capacity for it. And I've always been told that I snore sometimes, but not really snoring. It's like that noise you make from a congested nose and throat. It's because of my allergies. I have a difficult time actually breathing like a normal person when I sleep. My nose is always congested. Sometimes I even wake myself up from my own snoring if I take a nap on the couch or start falling asleep whilst I'm reading a book in bed. It's so strange when that happens because you wake up thinking, wait, was that me? Was I snoring just then? But sleepwalking, I mean, do you guys sleepwalk, or do you know of someone who sleepwalks? Because it would be very dangerous if someday I'm sleepwalking and I put a pillow in the oven. It's like I've decided to kill us all with the pillow method. Fold it in the komari method. It doesn't make any sense at all. But it happened, it was weird, and it's not like some alien abduction story, but that experience has made me more open to the idea of mediums and speaking to the deceased, and stories of people saying that they have a ghost in their house. I'm just saying, it was weird. So yeah, that's my life. I'm going to end it here, and I hope you like this speed drawing. I made sure to add sugary as well as salty junk food items that are easy to understand. And I'm sorry for all the rambling. It was just a bit different from what I've been talking about in my recent videos. But if you want to hear me ramble some more, let me know. Also, I've made these drawings available as stickers on my Redbubble store, so go over there and check them out if you want some stickers for your phone case or whatever you want to put it on. And as always, thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time. Ciao!